This girl just carry her beauty enter my corner. This time for my life, myself, I know what's why. She said the love she feel for me strong past your man. It better pass her.
What up, y'all? It's your girl Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I know I'm looking crazy out here. But I have a reason I can explain. So today, what we're gonna be doing is an aloe vera hair mask. Oh, I was about to say face mask. Aloe vera hair mask. You know, during these quarantine times, I feel like this is like the perfect time to focus on your hair, your skin. So when you can go outside, girl, your hair, your edges, your skin can be flawless. Like you woke up like this. You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Disclaimer, I've never tried this before. So do not come for me in the comments. Do not come for me. I really want to start a hair journey. So I thought, what a better way to start that with you guys. We don't have this. So when my hair is on long, I mean, it's not that bad right now, but I feel like we could do better. I went to the supermarket the other day and I seen it. I was just like, dun, 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 and it was like 69 cents. I was just like, girl, if you don't pick up the aloe vera and rub that on your edges, okay? So what we're gonna do today is a aloe vera hair mask, like I said before. So yeah, I just froze for like 5 seconds. I literally just like lost my train of thought. But yeah, so before we get into the video, if you haven't already done so, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get notified, because I will be posting bangers back to back for the rest of quarantine. Okay? Hopefully that should not last to the beginning of the summer, because you're gonna go outside. Okay, I'm tired. I've been doing my hair, my skin every day. I'm tired. I need to go outside. I need to go outside. Like I said, so for most of you that don't know, I'm a waitress, and your girl isn't getting paid out here, and your girl got bills to pay, you feel me? So please, Rona, please, I'm sorry. If you can let us outside by June, I'll forgive you. I forgive you for the 4 or 3 months, whatever that you took away from me, I will forgive you for it. Just please let me go outside by June, okay? Without further ado, let's get in this video. Let's get it, let's go. All right, so you guys, what we're gonna be using is an actual aloe vera plant. I got this from the store for 69 cents. And then we're gonna be using extra virgin olive. Do you see what I just said? Y'all see? Anyways, like I said, we're gonna be using organic coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of my favorite oils that I use for my hair. Not only does it help me grow my hair, it helps me make my curls pop, because if you haven't noticed, I'm a curly hair girl, so it helps my curls. And then this is the extra virgin olive oil, also organic, okay? Because we organic. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this part out. Just like it. What I'm gonna do second, I'm gonna wash it. Now you're thinking like, girl, why is he washing this thing? Like, what is the purpose, right? I know what you're thinking. But just wait and see, be patient, because you're gonna see by the end of the video what I'm gonna do. Okay. So, I'm gonna cut this in half. So now what I'm gonna do is take my pot. I already have some virgin oil already in this container. So what I do is I'm gonna pour that into here. Probably gonna add a little bit more. No, actually no, because I'm gonna add the coconut oil. I usually just eye it, honestly, but I'm just gonna take. That's a tablespoon and a half. Girl, I'm from Africa. We don't measure, so you just pour it in there and see it until you think it's enough. I'm just gonna mix the olive oil. All right. Okay, let me add just a little. You know what I mean? If you if you ever, you know what I'm talking about. If you, delete it. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's it, and that is all. I'm gonna let it heat up for a little bit. And with this one,
never too much there for your edges.
so now as you guys can see, it's a thinner consistency. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and I'm going to add my aloe vera in here. Dealing with your aloe vera when you're with this side, you can just put it back, wrap it, and I'm just kidding, no. We can wrap it and just put it right back in the fridge. You are home. Ain't no excuses. I've been telling my friends that they've been saying I've been going crazy because I just been trying some different stuff and you're bored in the house. I mean, girl, you're at home anyways. Like, we go out, you know, our lashes are ripping out, our skin is messed up, but our, you know, let it breathe, baby girl. Let it breathe, soak it up. It is going, ooh. Oh, look, it feels good. It's so funny, my first video was all like, oh my god, makeup and everything. Now it's just like, all personal. You all up in my You all up in this, girl. What you know about it? Ooh, make sure you get the neck. Do it good. Neck. That's what he said. Let me get my mind good. Okay. So now what I did is I took the oil from the pot and I poured it into here, my little bowl. And I'm taking the rest of the aloe vera that I cut up and I'm just squeezing it and making sure I get all the leftover juice. So I'm back. I got a towel because I love my robes, my favorite robes, so I'm not gonna mess it up. I got a plastic bag here, so after I put the aloe vera and the coconut on version, the mask in my hair basically, I'm gonna put a plastic bag on and I'm gonna put, yeah, you can use whatever you want to use. This is what I use. Shout out to Kroger, free advertisement, Hank. Alright, so yeah, so let's get into this hair. So let me just put it in half. And ladies, like, make sure when you do put this aloe vera in your hair that you're massaging your scalp. That is one of the most important parts of this whole entire thing is massaging. So let me take my aloe vera. I'm gonna dip. You dip, she did. You dip, he did. Okay. My main concern right now is my edges. Ladies, don't wear wigs. Go natural. These wigs are designed to mess us up because how how you gonna create a wig just so I don't wear weaves, right? Protect it, but then you're gonna rip my edges up. And I still do have the aloe vera on my face. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This itch. I'm not supposed to be cursing right now, y'all. I'm supposed to. But I'm doing it for the culture. You feel me? I have the aloe vera hair mask in my hair, and I do have some on my face. It is very, very itchy. I'm just probably gonna keep it on the rest of the day and probably wash it off before I go to bed. What also you could do is do this at night and sleep with it and wash it in the morning. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys like these type of videos, DIYs. I do have a hair mask that I do want to add. But yeah, so to all my Muslim brothers and sisters, Ramadan Kareem, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
This time for my life, myself, I know what's why. She said the love she feel for me strong past your mind. It better pass her.